इमेजिन आपको 3 लोगों के साथ डिनर पे जाना है, ठीक है? 3 फेमस पर्सनैलिटीज़ के साथ, तो आप किसके साथ जाएँगे?
First is beer biceps.
मोदी जी, आमिर खान वन.
I can go first with Raghuram Rajan, who is the former governor of RBI.
Third personality will be RBI governor.
Aishwarya Rai.
Christopher Nolan, Lewis Hamilton और Charles Leclerc.
ठीक है, इलॉन मस्क हो गया एक.
Yeah, I think Kareena Kapoor, she would be fun to hang out with.
Of course, एक श्रद्धा कपूर.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू गुड इंडिया। अगर आपको 3 फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ के साथ डिनर पे जाना हो तो आप किसके साथ जाएंगे? बस फिर हमने सोचा कि स्ट्रीट इंटरव्यू लिया जाए एंड लोगों से पूछा जाए। आइए देखते हैं उन्होंने क्या कहा। अगर आपको 3 लोगों के साथ डिनर पे जाना है, इंस्पायरिंग या फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़, तो आप किसके साथ जाएंगे?
So first will be Modi ji,
ओके,
second will be Akshay Kumar, and then third person will be a Virat Kohli
विराट कोहली एंड वाई?
because ये लोग काफ़ी अट्रैक्टिव पर्सनालिटी है मेरे लिए. So मुझे ये लोग काफ़ी इंस्पायर भी करते हैं. Like Modi ji, okay, the work he is doing for the country, okay, and the Akshay Kumar, his fitness, and Virat Kohli of course, कि उसे उन्हें तो पूरी कंट्री ही हाइक करती है. So that's the reason.
सर मोदी जी, अक्षय कुमार एंड
विराट कोहली, yeah,
ये आपको क्योंकि इंस्पायर भी करते हैं।
right.
First is beer biceps. Second is Samay Raina. Third is Rebel Kid.
आई थिंक बहुत
You know the reason.
Yeah, I know the reason.
Yeah, that's-
What question will you ask them?
How to do what they do. What they did, sorry.
What they did. So you'll ask them how to do what they did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Kareena Kapoor, she would be fun to hang out with.
And आप उनसे क्या question पूछोगे?
Where does she get her confidence from?
Actually, that's a really great question. What about you?
Her dressing sense.
Her dressing fashion.
जेफ बेजोस.
Okay.
ठीक है, इलॉन मस्क हो गया एक. और अगर आप इंडिया में बोलो तो निखिल कामत, ज़ीरोधा के जो फाउंडर हैं.
उसका अपना पॉडकास्ट भी है।
हाँ हाँ,
आप क्या क्वेश्चन पूछोगे उससे?
उससे मैं ये पूछूंगा कि मैं आगे क्या करूँ, मतलब आप मुझे क्या एडवाइस दे सके कि मैं आगे जाके क्या कर सकता हूँ अगर मुझे उनके लेवल तक पहुँचना है तो.
पहले तो SR के, क्योंकि बिकॉज हाँ वो मेरे को बहुत पसंद है. और एक जैना ऑरिटेज वेंसडे वाली. और ऑफ कोर्स एक श्रद्धा कपूर.
श्रद्धा कपूर। और आप उनसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछोगे?
यार वो मिल जाएगी तो कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं होगा.
I can go first with Raghuram Rajan, who is the former governor of RBI, and second, I personally idolize the Prime Minister of India, who is Narendra Modi, who take a good responsibility of our entire nations to make a to make India very proud from the investment point of view. Like currently, India is doing great from the global point of view. We have a great recently G20 are conducted, which is good from the India point of view. We are holding the presidencies. And third, I can say that the one cricket personality that I idolize is Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who is very calm mind and very composed. So these are the 3 personalities.
So obviously first S. Jaishankar,
Okay.
being a foreign minister, things that he has done so far for the country, it's tremendous. It's very applaudable.
Okay.
One thing, and the other thing, the way he speaks and the way he answers every questions is next level, obviously.
So interesting conversation.
Plus, I'm also into geopolitics and all, and I admire him a lot.
Okay. And 2 more.
2 more, Sydney Sweeney
Okay.
and Aishwarya Rai.
Aishwarya Rai.
She got class.
Christopher Nolan, Lewis Hamilton और Charles Leclerc.
Christopher Nolan.
Lewis Hamilton, Charles Leclerc.
Oh nice. And why?
Okay, Christopher Nolan, I think उन्हें इंट्रोडक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इंटरस्टेलर जैसी बहुत अच्छी मूवीज़ है तो उनके वर्क का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. एंड देन लुइस हैमिल्टन, आर्ग्यूबली द बेस्ट इन फार्मूला 1, उनका भी बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. एंड लेक्लेयर एक बहुत अच्छे प्रोडिजी है तो इसीलिए.
I don't know about 3, but Amir Khan one.
And why?
I just think he's a very interesting and a very creative person. मतलब he's been an actor, he's been a director, and मैंने उनकी like back story वगैरह देख रखी है, how he made तारे ज़मीन पर and all, and I think I'll have a wonderful conversation with him.
ये भी अब्दुल कलाम भी आ रही है.
हाँ, that also. I mean the roles he chooses और वो बहुत अच्छी तरह direct भी करते हैं, and he has like great insights on how to direct as well. Second person I think would be Varun Grover because he's amazing. He's a political comedian and उनके गाने, उन्हें जो भी गाने गाने लिखे हुए हैं, इफ़ यू जस्ट गो ऑन स्पॉटिफाई एंड सी रिटन बाय,
नो कि वो गाने भी गाते हैं.
नहीं, he doesn't sing, पर he writes songs, he writes poems, and उन्होंने बहुत सारी like कला का I think whole album he wrote. तो second him, third I think third I don't know. I'll
Okay, it's okay.
probably a woman. Yeah.
First will be like the Prime Minister of India, right? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi. So he is my inspiration. So like because I believe he is a kind of a person who has expertise in so many areas, right? He is the Prime Minister of India, so he has a lot of responsibilities. And in his age, he is taking responsibilities of all these areas very well, right? Making India proud. So first will be the Mr. Narendra Modi. Second will be a sports person, I would say, right? So for me, sport person, like I want to go with Sachin Tendulkar. So he's my inspiration for cricket, right? And third personality will be, I would say, like RBI governor, because I'm also like aiming to be at that stage in my life. I'm preparing for that. So because RBI, maintains all the I would say like the economy of our country. So because without economy, no country can exist, right? Economy is the foremost thing on which the people of our country, right, from low to middle to high, everyone, I would say, dependent on the economy. So that's I would say it's a very amazing and huge responsible job in the country. Yeah.
Mrs. Reshma Gupta. She was principal of our school, and it really inspires me how she took care of even every leaf of the school. Like there are several plants now, so every leaf she took care of, and then also she used to tear pages from the used notebooks to give it to the students to use as rough pages so that they do not go to waste. And small things like that, the way she kept her things, the way she took care of us students, that is one of the things that I can think of right now.
तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. अगर आपके पास भी कुछ आइडियाज़ हैं स्ट्रीट इंटरव्यूज़ के, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में लिखना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. सी यू लेटर.